Hello and welcome everyone to att&t. We back again for another video. In today's video, if you got yourself locked with password pattern and for whatever reason you forgot what it is, in this video I will show you step by step how you perform hard reset through the recovery menu. So make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. And before we go any further in the video, doing factory reset means you're going to lose everything on your device. Now, if you have already a Gmail account, once you complete the factory reset, you are required to use the same Gmail and the same password just to avoid the Google bypass screen. Now, first thing first, we need to shut the phone completely off. Now, the Moto Razr, if you're trying to turn the phone off by clicking power key and volume up, just like this, the phone won't turn off. That because you still have to enter the pattern or the password. Instead of this, we need to do force restart by pressing the power key and the volume up for around 7 seconds. Normally when you see the screen turn black, means you have to release from the volume up and the power key and immediately press on the volume down and the power key at the same time, and then the phone should go to the recovery menu. So let's go ahead and do this together. First of all, we need to force restart by pressing power and volume up, just like this. Hold around 7 seconds. When you see the screen turn black, that would be the best time to put your finger on the volume down and the power key again. Now, volume down, power, and the phone should take you to this menu. Now from here, you have to navigate through the volume down and up. Now you are in the start, so we don't need to use this, and the touch is not going to work, so we have to navigate the volume down till it takes me to recovery mode. Now to select, you have to press the power key. Now the phone should take us to no command screen. As you guys can see, no command, and you see broken Android logo. Now what you need to do now, you need to press power and immediately volume up. So power, volume up, but immediately. So power, volume up, and release on both. Now we are on the recovery menu. Now in the recovery menu we got so many options, but what we need to navigate through the volume down and select wipe data factory reset. And then to select this option you have to press the power key, and you're gonna get another confirmation message by losing all your data on the flash drive. If you're sure you want to do it, you go ahead and press the power key, and the phone gonna start the formatting process. After this will take you to reboot system. Now what you need to do, press the power key, and the phone could take up to 5 minutes, and then the software will be back as new when you purchase the device from the factory. Remember, you need to add your Gmail and the password to bypass the Google activation screen. I believe that should do it for that video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please encourage me, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to att&t. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.